It's a small gathering, but a meaningful one for MMIW families on the Stoney Nakoda Nation. Dresses are hung and photos of the missing and murdered are placed outside of the community's RCMP detachment for Red Dress Day.
We want to work with the detachment on doing this because it's a way to start doing reconciliation about the epidemic, the genocide of our missing and murdered Indigenous people.
Teresa Snow helped organize the event here to begin building bridges between the nation and RCMP.
We know we haven't had a really good history with the Redcoats, and a lot of that has been miscommunication, misinterpretation, non-Indigenous kinship perspective of our ways. And so when we work together and start to have that dialogue, we can have better communication. And that it also works in the calls to action. One of the main things for the calls to action is police reform or Indigenous training and sensitivity for the issues.
Red ribbon skirts were made and gifted to families of women like Keisha Crawler, who was found deceased in the community this past April, and Glynis Fox and Tiffany Ear, who were killed near Calgary in 2017. Snow says this event brings more awareness to the lack of support for Stoney members.
This is a way to honor our missing and murdered Indigenous people, because a lot maybe isn't being done in the community right now because of the pandemic, and there isn't a lot of resources in the community. We want to take the time to honor our people and let them know that we haven't forgotten them and that we're going to keep working and honoring them and remembering them.
Tamara Pimentel, APTN National News on the Stoney Nakoda Nation.